trip recently. Basically, my cousin has a lot of kittens on her like little farm, and I am helping finding kittens for them. And yeah, I'm really excited about this. I found 4 kittens home so far. 3 of them I've already brought home, and 1 of them we are adopting. So I'm really excited for that. We finally convinced my dad for us to get a cat. I have cats at my mom's house, but we don't have a cat at our dad's house, so we're gonna be getting one there, and I'm really excited. So yeah, these are photos and little clips and videos of my little trip with these kittens, and at the end I'm going to put the kittens who are still up for adoption or are available. And if you're interested or if you know anyone, please share this video and maybe I can find more homes. So yeah, thank you and enjoy the little adorable photos and videos. I'm using this Google Maps thing, and then it said to turn right, and there's a lake right there. It doesn't like us, Dad. It overheard us talking about it earlier. Yes, Father, she is a female dog. That is a really pretty house. Oh my gosh. Sorry. We got cute little kittens. Oh my god, you guys are so cute. Hi. Hi, Goofball. If you were my kitty, I would name you Goofball because you're so cute. So cute. These are the kittens that are still available. Things do change though. I have one that is probably going to be going to a home, but I don't know what one yet. So, yeah. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And again, if you know anyone who wants a kitten or if you want a kitten, please comment or get a hold of me or just do something and I will talk to you more about it. So yeah, thank you. Bye.